So Manila Water just broke out from a resistance. Where's the stock headed? Amidst all of the battering of the negative reviews it had over the past few months, the stock is bullish. What should you do if you own the stock? What should you do if you want to sell? If you have cash, should you still buy some more? Check this video out. Hey guys, so this is Marvin Germo. If you're new to this, subscribe. If you want to learn more about the stock market, I make daily videos on how you can create strategies on winning and buying and selling, that you can win in the stock market no matter if you're a busy person, no matter if you have a business, you're an employee, or you are an overseas Filipino, because winning in the market is all about you knowing the right principles, creating a strategy around it, and executing with excellence. So subscribe now. So let's talk about what's happening to Manila Water. If you know guys, over the past few months, Manila Water has been pretty much battered with so much intrigue. You all know the water shortage that happened in Metro Manila. Manila Water was pretty much a part of that. That's why over the past weeks and months, you saw the stock start to push down, get oversold, hit specific breakdown levels that pushed it to go lower. But you know me, the goal, the heart of this is just to buy based on what the technicals are telling us. The heart and the goal of this is to buy whenever there are buy signals that start to emerge from the charts, because at the end of the day, technical analysis is one of the greatest ways for you to trade the markets with confidence, because it allows you to come in, or disregarding the news, it allows you to come in not basing it on emotions, not basing it on what people feel about it, but just basing everything from what the charts are telling you. And in my experience, over a decade of investing, it's one of the best ways for you to be able to strategically buy and sell without trying to grapple and scramble for news, and for you to do the analysis in just a few minutes, because technical analysis is one of the greatest ways for you to be able to trade and execute with perfection. So before I look at the charts, let's look at what the fundamentals are saying. For me, Manila Water is a fundamentally sound company. It's not just a defensive company run by one of the best corporations, conglomerates in the country, Ayala Corp. It's not just about that, but it's a company that's growing. It's a company that's so defensive that whatever happens, inflation may go higher, things may shift in the economy, but they will still have revenue. Please remember, companies like that will always win, because at the end of the day, Manila Water is a monopoly. How can monopolies lose? How can companies that have income in perpetuity lose? That if people will continue to pay for their services, they will always have sales, they will always have income. I guess the predicating issue that people need to watch out for Manila Water are the rates that the government would allow them to increase, because they're heavily regulated. So things like that will sort of dampen also where they could be for the short, mid, and long term. So let's look at what the charts are telling us. Way before the large drop, here's what's interesting. There were a lot of signals already from the charts telling us that Manila Water was not worth buying. If you look at it, it failed to break out from the 27 peso resistance level. And as what you all know, when stocks fail to break out from the resistance, it will try to find where the next support is. And that's what happened to Manila Water. Somewhere around February, it was the last straw. No? It failed to break out of it. Then it started to retrace and go back to the 24 level support. But here's the thing. As it started to challenge the 24 level support, the support did not hold. The news was so strong that people started to sell and wanted to get out of the stock. And as confirmed also by the MACD, it was particularly bearish. Now, here's what's interesting though. At the 20 peso level, you start to see the stock start to bounce. Pretty much also because it was already oversold. Pretty much also because it hit a level of support. You have to understand, the name of the game is for you to pick your spots and to come in while the support is there. So the stock bounced from the support last May 2019, and after that it started to hover up already. So over the past few days, it tried to challenge the 24 level resistance. That being said, it started to consolidate there, but something happened today that it broke past the 24 level resistance already. So that's what makes it interesting. Our goal, our style here is just to follow what the charts are telling us. The stock is up 5%. It started to break out from the 24 peso level, and MACD indicators are telling us that it's not just a change in direction upward, it's also that the stock is already bullish. Now, how do you play this? Because of the breakout from the 24 level, again, The style is to see if 24 will hold, because if 24 holds, that now becomes a new support level. The breakout will continue to go higher as long as the 24 level will hold. So now, here's the thing. If 24 holds, Manila Water, regardless of good, bad, or whatever news you see, the next target price for it will be 27 pesos per share. The breakout from 24 and 24 solidifies itself as a support level, will bring your target to around 27 pesos. Now, that being said, 27 is the new target. If 27 gets broken out from, the stock can now challenge and go to around 30 pesos per share. So with that being said, the way you will segment it, 24 breakout needs to hold that level for it to be a support. If that holds, next target price will be 27. If it breaks past 27, segment your target at the 30 peso level. So if you notice it, the goal and the heart and the style here is this: breakout, buy, stays at that level, hold, it continues to retrace and it continues to bounce up, hold until it hits the resistance. If the resistance does not hold, or if it fails to break out from the resistance, sell and take profits. I don't know if you noticed, this analysis is just a few minutes that you do not have to guess, speculate what will happen, because everything you need to know is found in the charts. Everything you need to know is found in what the technicals are telling you. And that's what will help you win with confidence. And I want you guys to learn more about this because it's so powerful. It changed the way I trade. It has helped me sustain trading and investing in the market for more than a decade already. So that's it. That's how you can win using the charts. That's how you can win. If you've noticed it, every time I put stocks here that I analyze, it's always about technical analysis because it's how you can trade the markets with confidence. So if you want to know how I trade, my strategies, my style, I have links below on Stock Smarts seminars from Manila, Cagayan de Oro, Dubai, and Hong Kong over the next few months. So if you'd like to learn more on a classroom level, I'm excited to meet you all face to face so we can learn trading and investing in the markets together. But if you want to learn via books, I have a link below for Shopee on how you can order the Stock Smarts book series. The heart of that also is to educate those that love to read on the basics of fundamental technical analysis and what the stock market is as a whole. So that's it for now. I'm actually preparing also for Stock Smarts Manila happening tomorrow. And I hope these videos like this, daily videos like this, educate you, push you, and challenge you. That even if you're a business person, an entrepreneur, an OFW, a professional, a career employee that's earning massively from their work, from their job, that you can develop another asset, which is a stock market, that will work hard for you, even if you're busy, even if you don't have the time to watch it for massive amounts of time, because technical analysis will allow you to check it in just a few seconds, few minutes of your day, but will still allow you to win. So this is Marvin Germo. If you like this video, please comment. If you want me to shift the way I would talk about this, comment also. If you're buying Manila Water because of this, comment below as well. So that's it for now. Marvin Germo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you.